Hi, I'm Rick. I'm a volunteer at the Forney Transportation Museum, and this is our 1923 delivery truck that was originally made for, we don't know, but now it's designed as a highway. Model Ts are quite different than modern cars in that the things that you do to operate it are quite different from what a modern car would be. All Model Ts have a crank start on them that is hand crank in the front, and it's only to be pulled from the 9 o'clock position up. If you're pushing down on the crank and it backfires, it'll probably sprain or break your arm or your hand. So only from 9 o'clock to noon. Starting in 1919, Model Ts came as an option with an electric starter. This being a 1923, it has that option. The controls on a Model T, because it's an old system, you have to retard the spark manually so that it doesn't backfire. So if the spark is up, you're safe cranking it. The throttle is on the other side of the steering column, and it's wherever you set it, it stays. So it's early cruise control. There's 3 pedals on the floor. The left pedal is down for low gear and out for high gear. The middle pedal is reverse, and the right pedal is the brake pedal. To start a Model T, you put the emergency brake handle all the way to the rear. You turn the coil box, and you'll hear the coils fire. At that point, you walk around front, pull the crank, you have another Model T. To drive a Model T forward, you take the emergency brake handle, put it forward. That takes the brakes off the rear wheel. You step down on the low pedal. As long as you're in low gear, you have to hold it to the floor. If you let it out, it goes into high gear. To stop, you have to hold the left pedal in the neutral position, and the right pedal is your brake. To go backwards in a Model T, you have to hold the left pedal in the neutral position, which is halfway in, and step on the center pedal, which is your reverse. Will get about 30 miles to the gallon on level ground. Henry Ford said they would go 10,000 miles before they completed rebuild, and they could be rebuilt 3 times. And I know there's a lot of Model Ts that have a lot more miles than that.